Wise Taurus, on June 13, 2025, the celestial chart is in your favor, opening up unique financial prospects. Venus, your ruling planet, harmoniously aspects generous Jupiter, creating a powerful flow of monetary good fortune and expanding your horizons for capital appreciation. It's not just luck, but an amplification of your natural ability to sense favorable offers. Active Mars adds determination, encouraging you not just to dream, but to act. It encourages you to intuitively recognize the very lucrative opportunities that may have previously gone unnoticed. Pay attention to sudden ideas or suggestions for investments, new projects, or even unexpected sources of income. It is now that your inner compass is pointing in the right direction, making the first step toward increasing wealth particularly powerful. This energy will allow you to not only attract abundance, but also lay the foundation for long-term financial peace of mind. Taurus, it's time to not only grow your capital, but to structure it wisely, laying the foundation for your ideal financial cushion. Your recent intuitive insights and premonitions of lucrative offers are a direct path to stability. Invest consciously, in things that bring true enjoyment, improve your quality of life, and create coziness. Whether it's organizing your space, investing in your personal well-being, or investing in long-term assets, trust your inner wisdom. It will be your best advisor when it comes to choosing promising and safe investments. Right now, your natural ability to sense the energy of money will allow you to make error-free decisions. However, to fully realize these opportunities, you will have to master one more important aspect. Dear Taurus, in order to maximize your financial opportunities on June 13, it's not enough just to sense profitable offers. The most important skill is the ability to voice them effectively. Your natural practicality should be complemented by confident and clear communication. When preparing to negotiate a pay raise or a lucrative contract, always make your offers very clear, emphasizing the mutual benefits. Explain the specific value you bring and why your offer is the best solution. Use facts, but don't forget personal conviction. This is the key to opening doors that will lead to significant growth in your capital and position. However, true prosperity requires not only instant wins, but also the ability to build long-term financial stability. True financial stability for Taurus is formed through a conscious approach to investments. Your natural affinity for reliability is not just a character trait, but a powerful tool for multiplying capital and creating a sustainable future. Focus on long-term investments that stand the test of time, such as real estate, dividend stocks, or diversified investment funds. Avoid hasty decisions and risky speculation that promises instant profits. This is where your unique strength, patience and discipline, comes into play. They allow you to methodically create assets that provide a stable cash flow and work for you. Invest in things that improve your quality of life and provide predictable, steady growth. But remember, building a financial fortress is only one aspect of your successful life. In addition to the solid financial strategies we've discussed, this period offers you a unique opportunity for a powerful career leap. Jupiter, the planet of great happiness and expansion, is particularly favorable to Taurus right now, expanding your horizons and offering unprecedented prospects. This is the perfect time to not just dream, but to clearly articulate truly ambitious professional goals. Look for new directions for growth, explore related fields that can give a boost to your development. Your inner compass, reinforced by cosmic energies, will unmistakably point to opportunities that will lead to a significant promotion or the opening of your own successful project. Embrace the challenge, for a willingness to change is the key to sudden but well-deserved success. Your career trajectory on June 13, 2025 promises to be exceptionally dynamic and unpredictable. Prepare for rapid vertical upsurges, because circumstances may turn out to offer positions you've only dreamed of. Now it's critical to show not just diligence, but real courage in thinking. Do not be afraid to offer innovative solutions, to go beyond the usual, to introduce non-standard approaches to routine tasks. It is this creative impulse, backed by your natural thoroughness and reliability, that will be a powerful catalyst for rapid advancement. Your willingness to adapt, learn and implement new things is a direct path to dramatic professional growth. This is not just a coincidence, but the result of your openness to change and your ability to see opportunities where others see only obstacles. However, for this enormous potential to be realized, mere expectation is not enough. You need an active, purposeful attitude that can channel this powerful energy in the right direction. Your career growth on June 13th requires concrete steps. It's time to not just dream of a promotion, but to create one. Clearly articulate your goals, develop a detailed action plan that includes new projects and initiatives that demonstrate your value. Channel the energy of Mars, which is particularly strong right now, into purposeful advancement rather than spontaneous spurts. It's not just an endeavor, it's a strategy. Take the initiative, offer solutions that no one else has seen, take ownership of key tasks. Show a willingness to lead. Your ambition must be backed by thoughtful, bold action. And when you achieve your first results, it's important to communicate them well. Taurus, it's time to not just achieve, but strategically declare your successes. Your merits should be not only weighty, but also obvious to others. Strengthen your reputation not by silent labor, but by purposeful demonstration of competence and achievements. This is the period when you should maximize your visibility and influence by actively participating in key discussions, proposing solutions, and taking responsibility for meaningful projects. Don't hesitate to demonstrate your professionalism and results. This is the only way you will get the respect and recognition you deserve. Remember that recognition is a powerful resource that requires further use to dynamically realize your financial ambitions. Taurus, June 13th is your day to take a decisive step forward. Forget your usual financial inertia. The powerful energy of Mars is directed at you right now, urging you to take action. Use this assertiveness to not just wait for opportunities, but to create them. It's time to focus all your power on attracting abundance, taking initiative where you would have been slow before. This is not a time for passive waiting, it is a time for purposeful movement, for showing a healthy determination to achieve your monetary goals. Let this inner strength be your engine to prosperity. After all, the path to success often lies in the ability to step outside the box. Taurus, the path to abundance is not always straight. True success begins with a victory over yourself, over inner doubts and habitual inertia. Now is the time to turn any external barriers into stepping stones to growth. Any obstacles are not a dead end, but only a springboard for a new leap. Your natural resilience, multiplied by the energy of Mars, will become an indestructible force in the struggle for financial well-being. Crisis moments are not defeats, but turning points, where the real financial power is formed. Do not give up on your goals, even if the path seems thorny. Show the very determination that will allow you not just to dream of abundance, but to build it methodically, step by step. Taurus, your natural perseverance is not just a trait, but a powerful engine for achieving significant financial and career heights. Now it is important not only to see promising directions, but also to methodically put them into practice. Combine the inner energy that drives you to action with a well-thought-out structure, a clear plan, regular effort, and discipline. This is the approach that lays the foundation for long-term prosperity, turning immediate opportunities into sustainable sources of income and steady career growth. This is not a sprint, but a marathon, where each of your persistent steps brings you closer to financial independence and professional recognition. Your ability to concentrate and work systematically is invaluable now. It will allow you not only to grasp luck, but also to consolidate its results, ensuring continuous development. Success requires not only a foundation, but also a readiness for dynamic change. Your strength on June 13th lies in your ability to act decisively without waiting for ideal conditions. When new horizons open up before you, boldly embark on projects that require risk and innovative thinking. The key to success is your lightning-fast reaction to any change. Be flexible, adapt instantly, and don't be afraid to stray from familiar patterns. Channel this powerful energy, which is so active right now, into breakthrough ideas. It is now that you are able to accomplish something truly unique, to go beyond the ordinary and transform potential into tangible victories. This requires not just ambition, but a willingness to make quick, informed decisions. And in order for these achievements to become not a one-off success, but the basis for stable growth, it is extremely important to understand how to properly manage the resources you have received. Your intuition and determination are powerful tools, Taurus, but you need a solid foundation to transform your potential into tangible prosperity. Now is the time to focus on creating a clear financial plan. It's not just dry numbers, but a map of your future well-being. Start with careful budget management, consciously track every income and expense, directing cash flow in the right direction. Systematic savings, however small, will be the cornerstone of your long-term stability. Build reserves in a disciplined manner, invest in assets that will generate growth, and methodically build a safety cushion. Remember, true financial freedom is the result of consistent, thoughtful action, not random serendipity. This will allow you not only to increase your capital, but also to gain confidence in the future. However, even the most detailed plan requires not only pragmatism, but also balanced, achievable goals. Taurus, success on June 13th is not a myth, but the result of thoughtful actions. First of all, clearly define your financial goals, making them not just dreams, but measurable, achievable objectives. Forget about illusions of quick wins or dubious investments. Your strength lies in long-term planning and a pragmatic approach. Focus on what will actually bring a steady income, balanced investments, skill development, professional development. Combine this earthy practicality with inspiration, allowing yourself to think big but always grounded in solid facts. Let your inner energy be channeled into creating real, tangible wealth. This is the harmony between ambition and common sense. However, the true power of your financial decisions is only revealed when you fully understand the subtleties. Taurus, your natural thoroughness is not just a character trait, but the cornerstone of your financial well-being. June 13, 2025 requires your utmost attention to detail. Every contract, every legal document related to your money should be studied with the utmost scrupulousness. Do not neglect tax planning. It is not just an obligation, but a powerful tool to optimize and protect your assets. Remember, the devil is in the details. Checking all the terms and conditions, understanding every point is your guarantee against unforeseen risks and the key to successful capital appreciation. Your investments, career achievements, even winnings, all this requires legal purity and transparency. Such meticulousness will allow you not only to keep what you have earned, but also to multiply it, ensuring true financial independence. This is only a part of the path to the full development of your own resources. Taurus, true financial success on June 13, 2025 lies not only in the influx of funds, but also in your personal leadership over them. This is a time for a deep dive into financial literacy, for consciously managing every asset. Become the architect of your own wealth, study the markets, master investment tools, systematize your budget. Your natural inclination towards stability and practicality should be channeled into building a solid foundation. Every step you take in planning, every opportunity you analyze is a brick in the building of your independence. Transform yourself from a passive recipient to an active strategist who doesn't just earn, but masterfully multiplies. This approach makes you ready for any financial horizon, even the most unexpected gifts of fate. As you focus on building your financial strategies, remember that the universe sometimes gives gifts in unexpected ways. On June 13, be especially open to sudden winnings, lotteries, and offers that seem random. Your intuition is a powerful tool. Listen if an inner voice suddenly prompts you to buy that very ticket or consider an unexpected business proposal. This is not chaos, but synchronicity. It is in such seemingly random moments that the key to instant capital growth or the discovery of a new, previously unimaginable source of income may lurk. Be ready to act decisively when luck smiles, because sometimes the greatest success is hidden in the most unexpected turn of events. The same willingness to think outside the box will help you look at increasing your income from a completely different angle. Your practicality, Taurus, takes on a new dimension this day. June 13 is a time to boldly incorporate cutting-edge technology and creative approaches into your financial strategies. Think about how modern digital tools can optimize your income, automate your routine, or open up access to new markets. Apply your natural ingenuity. Perhaps now you will find a unique solution that will allow your company or your personal project to reach a new level. It's not just using gadgets, but thinking strategically to scale and improve efficiency. Look for unconventional ways, use artificial intelligence to analyze data, master new platforms to monetize your skills. Your ability to see the details and build reliable systems will be a powerful catalyst for growth. Remember, innovation is not a risk for risk's sake, but a deliberate step toward prosperity. And this is just the beginning of the journey to expanding your monetary horizons. Taurus, don't rest on your laurels. June 13, 2025 is your chance to explore entirely new financial territories. Forget about the usual framework. Now is the time to look at unconventional sources of income. Perhaps it's venture capital investments in breakthrough startups, exploring the potential of promising digital assets, or completely different, untapped niches. Your willingness to step outside your comfort zone and take risks where others see only uncertainty will be the key to unprecedented growth. Don't be afraid to invest not only your capital, but also your time to explore these uncharted areas in depth. This is where the true potential for exponentially increasing your wealth lies. The courage to seek out these opportunities requires a special inner compass. Taurus, remember, on June 13, your intuition is heightened to the extreme, becoming a powerful tool for recognizing hidden opportunities. If your inner voice whispers persistently about an unusual, seemingly risky project or investment, don't dismiss it. It is now that your natural wisdom combined with celestial support allows you to see potential where others see only uncertainty. This is not a call for reckless risk-taking, but for boldly trusting your gut when it points to non-trivial but highly profitable avenues. Act decisively, but with the knowledge that this courage is backed not by luck, but by a deep understanding of the situation. Such moments require not only inner acceptance, but also a willingness to put those insights into action, often through interaction with those who share your vision. June 13 is a period when it's especially important for Taurus not to close yourself off, but to actively enter the world of business contacts. Your natural reliability and ability to build long-term relationships will be a magnet for potential partners. Look for alliances based on mutual trust and common goals. Venus' harmonious aspect to Jupiter enhances your intuition for lucrative offers, helping you recognize just the right connections that will bring tangible growth. Make mutually beneficial agreements where each side sees its own interest and benefit. These are not just deals, but investments in the future, forming a strong support network for your financial and career ambitions. Remember, synergy multiplies success. But for these connections to really work and bear fruit, you need to be able to express your ideas and proposals clearly and persuasively. Taurus, on this day your ability to present yourself and your ideas convincingly becomes a key success factor. Don't be afraid to take the floor and speak in front of an audience, be it colleagues, partners, or investors. Develop your public speaking skills, it is your direct path to recognition and promotion. Formulate your thoughts clearly, argue your position, emphasizing mutual benefits. Your confidence in your voice, clarity of expression and ability to communicate the value of your proposals will be a powerful tool for career advancement and attracting new financial opportunities. It's not just public speaking, but a strategic resource that allows you to make your voice heard. And remember, the power of your word isn't just in the spoken word. Taurus, your intuition and determination have already shown you the right path to opportunity. June 13. Now it's critical to communicate those ideas to the world. Your financial proposals, career requests, even routine emails all need to be flawless. Master the art of written communication, every word in your reports, proposals, and emails must be clear, compelling, and impactful. Learn to formulate your thoughts in such a way that they leave no doubt about your competence and value. The power of your text is a direct path to a promotion, a lucrative deal, or an investment. When you masterfully put your arguments on paper, you're not just conveying information, you're setting a powerful precedent, laying a solid foundation on which to then confidently assert yourself and your interests in any direct dialogue. Taurus, your inner strength and determination are the foundation upon which your accomplishments are built. But in order for them to bear tangible fruit, you'll have to assert your value with confidence. June 13th is the perfect time to make such a move. When it comes to raising your salary, bonuses, or defending your position in a project, prepare strong arguments and back up your requests with concrete results. Don't be afraid to make your demands clear, be persistent but always diplomatic. Your ability to see your advantages and voice them without excessive modesty will be a direct path to financial growth. This is not aggression, but a sound assessment of your own contribution that the planets are calling you to show. Remember, your steadfastness is your strength. However, in addition to mastery of external communications, there is another equally important aspect that can unmistakably point you in the right direction. Taurus, success on June 13th is not just about planning and decisive action. Listen to your inner voice, it is your most reliable navigator in the world of finance. It is not just a premonition, but a deep knowledge that allows you to distinguish a true opportunity from a disguised trap. It is your intuition, sharpened in this period, will point to the most unobvious, but highly profitable ways that others do not even guess. Trust this subtle impulse when it comes to investments, new projects, or even unexpected offers. It will keep you away from hasty decisions and dubious ventures, ensuring not only profit but also peace of mind. After all, true prosperity sprouts from the harmony between external abundance and inner well-being. In achieving financial prosperity, Taurus, don't forget, true abundance goes beyond the bank account. It's a harmony between the material and the spiritual, when your inner world is as rich as your outer world. Invest not only in assets, but also in yourself, in health, knowledge, quality vacations, in those aspects of life that nourish your soul and give you true satisfaction. Your natural craving for comfort and stability should extend to your inner state. True success for Taurus is when the external security is supported by a deep inner peace. This approach allows you not only to increase, but also to enjoy the fruits of your labors while maintaining balance. Dear Taurus, in the pursuit of abundance, it is important to remember that your true strength lies in your inner peace. The financial journey, no matter how fast it may be, is sometimes stressful. But it is your natural resilience that becomes a reliable anchor. To maintain a positive attitude, consciously cultivate it. Let go of unnecessary worries and focus on what is within your control. Breathe deeply, ground yourself, find moments of stillness. Your confidence is not in the amount in the account, but in the unwavering belief in yourself and your decisions. Allow this inner balance to become the unshakable foundation for all external achievements. After all, true success is not only numbers, but also a deep sense of harmony within. This state of peace, in turn, opens the door to new horizons, where every step is filled with meaning.